Good morning guys. Today we will target another PS3. This is PS3 Slim and its model is 2500B. Let's check it. What's the fault in it? I'm going to turn it on. HDMI cable and power cable is connected. Green light is still on. HDD light is blinking. It means that the boot process is normal, but there is no display on the screen and even no sound. So guys, it is not a big deal. You can see that there is no display on the screen but still green light. Let's open it. It also shuts down properly, so I think it would be the section around HDMI decoder, because if HDMI decoder output is not proper to our display, then this fault happens. It's also a sealed machine. Open the seal. First, we need to check for these coils. These coils, there are somehow make it clean. Now you can see it properly. So these coils 1, 2, 3, 4, and each coil has 2 coils, and these coils occasionally get weak, and now I will check for these coils, because this is a decoder IC that is getting the graphic data from these lines from this GPU, and then decode the graphic data and send it to our HDMI port. So let's check. This is a copper coil wire. I will use it. I have jumped these two coils, this one and this one, and here is a short solder short. I have to remove it. Okay, first remove it, and now I will check it on my component tracer, all these 8 datas. Okay, first this one, it's okay, second okay, third okay, 4 okay, 5 okay, 6 okay, 7 it is short, 8 it's okay, 7 number data is still short with due to the solder. I think there is no, still short. Okay. Yes, now it is okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it's okay. I will fix it on the heatsink and fan assembly, then I will check for the display. Now you can see that red light is on, and I will now need the HDMI cable so that we can see the display. Okay guys, now I am going to turn it on. Yes. Here I also need the controller. Yes, you can see the display. So now I will check it for the full 1080p resolution, because it is not on 1080p. So connect the controller and it is synced. Then if I need to set the date and time, okay, I will set it 17 today's date and 7th month in 2021. The time is 8 and 30. Okay. Now go to settings, find the display setting and video output setting, yes, and go to the HDMI and okay, automatic is okay. Yes, now it is on 1080p, and enter and finish, and you can see that our console is fixed. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.